Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Anissa Liyasari and I'm from PBA class. And now I will make a video about review journal. The title of the journal is Speaking Challenges Among English Club Members at One Islamic Boarding School in South Sumatra. And about the authors, written by Leni Marzulina, Muhammad Hollandia, Dian Erlina, Herizal, Hikmah Zalifa Putri, and Lia Hidayati from the English Education Study Program, University Islam Negeri Raden Patah, Palembang. Purpose of the study. The main purpose of the study was to investigate the speaking challenges faced by students who join the English club at Darul Abror Islamic Boarding School, Banyuasin, South Sumatra. And the researchers want to understand what specific problems the student encountered when speaking English, such as a difficulty finding vocabulary, fear of making mistakes, and or low confidence. And this research also aimed to identify the causes of those difficulties and to give insight into how English teacher and school can create a better learning environment and to support student speaking practice by knowing the confidence, increase their vocabulary, and motivate them to speak more effectively in English. And in short, the study was carried out to explore student speaking barriers and to find possible ways to improve their English speaking performance in the English Club program. Okay, next, design of the study. This study used a qualitative research design with a case study approach. The qualitative method was chosen because it allowed the researchers to explore student experiences, behaviors, and feeling in depth. The focus of this study was not to count numbers, but to understand how and why students face challenges in speaking English. And in the process, the researchers observed and interviewed the participants to collect detailed information about their speaking experiences in the English club. And the case study approach helped the researchers describe real situations and analyze them from different perspectives. After collecting the data, the researchers described, interpreted, and grouped speaking difficulties. The design made it possible to explain the challenges naturally and contextually based on the student real condition at the school. Next, location and participant of the study. The researchers was conducted at Darul Abror Islamic Boarding School located in Banyuasin, South Sumatra. The school was chosen because it has an active English club program where students are required to practice speaking English in daily activity. There were 20 students in the English club, but the researchers selected 6 students as participants using purposeful sampling. This sampling technique was chosen because it allowed researchers to select participants who have relevant experience and can provide rich information related to the research focus. The 6 students were chosen based on how long they had joined the English club, some for less than 1 year, some for 1 year, and others for more than 1 year. This variation helped the researchers collect diverse viewpoints and experiences about speaking challenges. By selecting participants this way, the study could describe the different level of difficulty students experience in developing their English speaking skill. Data collection. The data were collected through observation and semi-structured interview the researchers first conducted classroom observation for 4 consecutive days to see how the students practice speaking during English club sessions. And during observation, the researchers acted as non-participant and used an observation checklist to record student behavior, participants, and difficulties when speaking English. And after completing the observation, the researchers conducted semi-structured interview with 6 selected students. The interview contained 18 open and questions that explore the students' speaking challenges such as vocabulary problems, confidence, and motivation. And this combination of observation and interview helped the researchers gain both direct evidence from classroom behavior and personal instincts from student experience. All data were recorded, transcribed, and organized for further analysis. Okay, next, data analysis. And the researchers analyzed the data using semantic analysis following Criswell 2013 6-step procedures. First, all observation notes and interview results were transcribed and organized. And the second, the researchers read and review the data carefully to understand the main ideas. And the third, they quote important statements related to speaking challenges. Next, the quotes were grouped into categories and then developed into broader themes that represented students' difficulties. And finally, the themes were interpreted, presented in tables, and description in the findings section. This process helped the researchers clearly identify the main problem students face in speaking English. And next, major findings. The study discovered 4 major speaking challenges faced by students in the English club at Darul Abroad Islamic boarding school. And the first, lack of vocabulary. Students had limited vocabulary and often stopped speaking to think of the right words. And second, use of mother tongue. Students frequently switched to Indonesia or Japanese because it felt easier and more natural. And the third, lack of self-confidence. Students were shy, afraid of making mistakes, and nervous when speaking in front of others. And the fourth, lack of motivation. Some students felt bored and lazy to participate in English club activity, which reduced their practice opportunities. These findings show that student speaking problems are caused not only by language limitation, but also by psychological and motivational factor. And next point, I would explain about connection with relevant studies. Find one or more relevant studies with the finding regarding to the title. The findings of the study are supported by several previous studies. And I chose Al-Hasni found that many EVL learners struggle with speaking because of limited vocabulary and fear of making mistakes. And Johanna 2012 revealed that psychological factors such as anxiety, low confidence, and shyness are major barriers to speaking. And next, Melfiza Bahri dan Erdina 2017 so that English club activities can improve student motivation and speaking confidence. And the last, Wahyuniati, Maulidia, dan Kolbia 2020. Also, reported that speaking clubs help students develop vocabulary, pronunciation, and fluency. The study confirmed that the speaking challenges found at Darfur abroad are similar to those faced by many EVL students in other contexts.